Hello, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on geometry. So here in the figure on the left, we have square ABCD and two equilateral triangles, triangle ABE and triangle BCF. We're asked to get the value of the measure of angle BEF. Here we have the choices. It's either 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 40 degrees, or 50 degrees. Now credits to the imath.ma Facebook page for this item. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try, but if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, while we're asked for the angles here, let us try to write down the angles that we currently know of, and that is the fact that, well, in these two equilateral triangles, the interior angles of any equilateral triangle, it's going to be 60 degrees for all the angles. So let us write this angle as 60 degrees and this angle as 60 degrees for now. And let us try to make some observations here because, well, we have an equilateral triangle and we have a square. So these three sides should be the same because it is an equilateral triangle. Now, side AB is a side of a square, so all four sides of a square should have the same length. Now, since BC is a side of an equilateral triangle, BCF, then BF and CF should also be the same. In fact, all the blue segments that we can see in the figure, they have the same length. Now, why is this important? Now, this is important because it makes triangle BEF to be an isosceles triangle. Since we have an isosceles triangle, we would know that this angle here would be whatever this angle is. So this angle would also be theta. So, well, we know that theta plus whatever this entire angle is, it's gonna be a total of 180 degrees. So we're just kind of interested in what this angle is now, but this is no problem since we have square ABCD. We know that this angle over here must be a right angle. So this 60-degree angle plus this unknown angle for now, that should equal 90 degrees. So 60 plus this unknown angle, that should equal 90 degrees. We can easily find that x would have to be 30 degrees. So this angle over here would be 30 degrees. Now, in fact, this angle that we want, this entire angle, it's going to be 30 plus 60 degrees. So in fact, this angle is actually equal to 90 degrees. Now with this, we can use the sum of the angles in a triangle being equal to 180 degrees. Now that we know that 2 theta plus this 90 degrees should equal 180. So 2 theta should also be 90 degrees. So these two angles, if I add them up, that should also be equal to 90 degrees. So we divide both sides by 2, we're going to get that theta would be equal to 90 divided by 2. So 90 degrees divided by 2, so 90 over 2, that's going to give us 45 degrees. And this will be our final answer. So going back to the original question, we would encircle letter B. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!